Roman concrete structures, some over 2 millennia old, still stand remarkably strong today. Their secret isn't just craftsmanship, but a unique mix including volcanic ash, seawater, and lime. This combination initiated a slow, continuous chemical reaction, strengthening the material over centuries. Unlike modern concrete that can degrade, Roman concrete actually self-heals minor cracks. The Pantheon's massive unreinforced concrete dome, the largest of its kind, perfectly demonstrates this resilience. Tiny lime clasts within the mix react with water and volcanic ash, effectively mending fissures. Even submerged Roman harbors and breakwaters display incredible durability against ocean forces. Pozzolanic ash, sourced from volcanic regions like Pozzuoli, was the key binder for this extraordinary material. This sophisticated formula was largely lost for centuries after the Roman Empire's decline. Scientists are now intensely studying ancient Roman concrete to develop more sustainable building materials for the future.